Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will take you through a liquidity trading trick that you must absolutely know. And probably when what I'm gonna show you is happening to you, you have this face as you can see in my thumbnail, which is the face of total disappointment. So let's proceed with the example, which has been cherry-picked in order for me to show you what I want to demonstrate. Be sure that you stick around until the end of this video because I am going to talk about the giveaway, plus I'm gonna be showing how many people are already enrolled in the giveaway. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame and we identify breaks of structures as we always do. This is one break of structure right here. Price, you see, is coming back to retest this whole area, as you see it right here. And then we have a further break of structure, which is taking place right here. So let's go ahead together and see what is the thing that you might be doing, which is very frustrating, and how to avoid it in general. And let's be honest, sometimes you will not be able to avoid it. We have talked about it in the past that this right here is an order block. This wick that you see on the 4-hour time frame is an order block. Ideally, what you would expecting would be for price to get back to this area and then test it and retrace and continue with the overall downtrend. Nonetheless, what we do see, we see a first small reaction, which always happens in order to trick a bunch of traders who are functioning in FOMO, which is fear of missing out. And then what we see is that price comes and penetrates this order block. Many of you might have it in your trading rules that if my order block is penetrated, now we have broken above this area and this area is not valid anymore. First of all, if this happens and then the candlestick closes like that as a pin bar and then we continue breaking structures towards the downside, then you should be pretty sure and probably even more sure that now price is gonna come back, retest this area and continue with the overall downtrend. But if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, you have to realize one more thing. Let me delete this drawing. When this movement right here happened, after this first break of structure right here, we came back with this wick and we did not retest this order block. And I'm referring to this wick right here. As you can see, we retested until this area, but we did not touch on this order block, which is very significant, which is represented by this 4-hour wick. So it is very simple what is happening right now. Price is penetrating this order block, it is coming back, and it is retesting this order block right here, which is this wick, and then it continues with the downtrend. So a way to approach it is the way that we talked about it beforehand. We know that we grabbed the liquidity above this first order block, we tapped into the second one, and then we see multiple breaks of structures. I have talked about this concept numerous times, but this is a perfect example. All you have to do is identify this order block right here, and you can just enter with a pending order at the 50% or at the beginning of this order block, which would be right here with the stop loss right above it. And then first target can be right here, actually this candlestick right here, and you can go for second targets such as this low right here. So do not be tricked out if an order block is penetrated. It does not mean that you have to change your bias instantly and say that now we broke above this structure and this is a change of character and now I have to identify order blocks down here. Even if you do that, many times price, after giving us a reaction, is going to come back and retest the highest point after the reaction has taken place on the 4-hour order block on the 15-minute time frame. You just identify the 15-minute time frame order block, which is the highest point that reacted within the 4-hour time frame order block. And that is it. This is very, very simple. And in situations like this one, it is always good to have it in mind that price has not fully come back and retested this area right here, so you can actually expect something like that to happen, to grab the liquidity above this one and then retest this higher order block. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the giveaway. All you have to do in order to be able to participate in this giveaway is just like the video and leave any comment that you are willing to leave. And when we reach 100 people right here on our list, then we will go ahead with a random number generator and we will choose 2 random people who are gonna get my courses absolutely for free, and I will give those people full access of the courses plus the ability to write a review as well, and I'm pretty sure that they are not gonna be disappointed at all and that they are gonna find absolute success. It is absolutely free to join. Just go ahead, like the video and leave a comment. Any comment will do it, and 2 of you are gonna get access to my courses for free. This is what I wanted to talk about today. Be aware of the structure above the structure which has not been fully tested, and this will do this structure right here. So you can expect the liquidity above this area to be grabbed. Have it always in mind so that price comes back, retests this higher area, and then we continue, potentially actually, we continue with the overall downtrend. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.